In today's video, I'm going to show you how to match a knockdown texture on a wall repair using the Knockdown texture sponge.
I'm going to match the knockdown texture on this whole patch. I'm going to use the knockdown texture sponge by the Texture Master. I'll leave links in the description for all the tools and materials I used in this video. Alright, so I'm going to use the knockdown texture sponge to match the knockdown texture. What you want to do is just get it in the mud, get it up there. We'll work with it once we get the patch covered. You want to concentrate it on the patch, then we'll blend it out into the existing texture. I'm dabbing and pulling and watching the joint compound lift up. Alright, the knockdown's ready to get knocked down. I've waited about 5-6 minutes. So I'm going to use my Lexan knockdown knife. I recommend using these. A regular drywall taping knife will work, but it tends to flatten out the texture a little more than the Lexan does. So here we go. Got to have a light touch. You don't want to push too hard or it's going to smush it out. It also depends on what kind of knockdown you're trying to match.
Allow 12 to 24 hours to completely dry, then always use a quality latex primer when you do a drywall repair. Now it's okay just to spot prime the repaired and newly textured area and then just paint the wall as normal.